Hey there, fellow plant lovers. Let's be honest. Plant shopping can feel like walking into a sweet shop with a fiver and champagne tastes. You want it all, but your wallet's screaming, please, not another 15 pounds pothos. Well, let's fix that. Today, I'm sharing how to buy brilliant plants without going broke. Yep, it's totally possible to have your dream garden and still afford lunch. First up, how do you pick a healthy plant? It's all in the leaves and roots. Look for rich green foliage and firm stems. If it's yellowing, wilting, or crawling with bugs, give it a miss. Now here's a trick most folks skip. Check the roots. Gently ease the plant out of its pot. Healthy roots are white and springy, not brown or slimy. And shop early in the day. Plants are perkier and better hydrated, which makes spotting issues easier. Next, let's talk timing. Big box stores are all about seasonal cycles, and that's your golden window. Spring and autumn, prime time for sales. But here's the juicy bit, the clearance rack. It might look like a plant graveyard, but with a sharp eye, you can find gems that just need a bit of TLC. And if you haven't already, sign up for those loyalty cards and store emails. Yes, you'll get spam, but also early deals and the odd coupon. Worth it. Now, strategy. You don't need to wander aimlessly. Download a plant ID app like PlantSnap. Snap a quick pic and boom. You know what it is, how to care for it, and if it works in your space. Also, don't just grab the plant in front. Reach to the back of the shelf. Those are usually the freshest stock. And remember, the best bargains are often stashed near the outdoor section or hiding behind those big seasonal displays. Keep your eyes peeled for red tags and markdown signs. Finally, let's bring it all together. Go for plants that like the same conditions, sun lovers with sun lovers, shade fans with shade fans. That way everything thrives and you're not juggling 15 different watering schedules. Low-maintenance pairings, like succulents with herbs, can look lush and save time. Then it's just about the basics. Water when the soil's dry, feed when needed, and give them a spot they love. That's it. You don't need to spend a fortune to have a beautiful garden. With a bit of know-how and a good eye, you can build a thriving green space without draining your bank account. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know your best plant shopping win in the comments. Happy planting and happy saving.